My name is Teddy Thompson. I'm in the heating and air conditioning program at Montgomery Community College in Troy, North Carolina. The reason I chose MCC, I checked around, found that Montgomery had the best instructor and program for heating and air conditioning.
I guess the first reason I chose to come to MCC is it's local for me. I'm from Montgomery County, so it's a local college, and they have an excellent program in the certain curriculum that I am in. Doing a little bit of research, this is the place to be when you're going to go for that particular curriculum.
If anyone is interested in getting in this field of work, I would highly recommend Montgomery Community College's HVAC program because of the hands-on and the general area, and just the class in itself is very, very good.
The HVAC program is really giving me the hands-on training that I really need, the confidence to do so, the ability to go in so anything's not foreign. So I've actually seen it before, it's familiar to me, and it won't be strange to me when I finally approach the field and see it for a lifetime hands-on.
MCC is showing us how to service the newer equipment because the equipment changes every year more efficient. And so the program incorporates all these new techniques and new procedures.
I plan to get into the solar or renewable energy field. Seeing some other people from where I used to work in Raleigh, it was a really open field for renewable resources, and I think that's where it's about to take off. And this is kind of a tag into that.
You can take the necessary certification test right here on campus. In fact, I already have my EPA card, and I have a NATE certification that was taken right here through this program.
MCC is a great place to go if you're trying to get into the HVAC or ACHR is what it's called now field. You really get the tools and experience that you need to succeed.